Davisman from Kitchener-Conestoga.
Yes, thank you, Speaker. It is with great sadness that I stand with the Armenian-Canadian community here in the Ontario Legislative Assembly today to commemorate the 100th anniversary of the Armenian Genocide. The systematic deportations and massacres of Armenians from their historic homelands began on the 24th of April 1915 by order of the Ottoman Empire. Hundreds of Armenian public figures, politicians, clergymen, educators, artists were arrested and executed in the capital or sent into exile. In the next phase of the genocide, Armenian people were taken from their homes and forced to march for hundreds of miles without food and water into the Syrian desert, later to be killed. The horrendous tragedy took the lives of over 1.5 million Armenians. On April 24th, people of Armenian descent all over the world recall the memorials and memories of Armenian genocide, what has been called the first genocide of the 20th century. This tragic history must never be forgotten, and it must never be denied. Such terrible acts of hatred cannot be tolerated in a democratic society. Just last week, Pope Francis said it was necessary and indeed a duty to remember the Armenians killed. For whatever memory fades, it means that evil allows wounds to fester. Concealing or denying evil is like allowing a wound to keep bleeding without bandaging it. Speaker, as MPP for Kitchener-Conestoga, I would like to assert that I stand shoulder to shoulder with our Armenian community as you observe this most solemn occasion. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.